You are standing at the edge of a new era, and the world is moving faster than ever before. In the next 12 minutes, we aren't just reviewing headlines. We are dissecting the most significant shifts in artificial intelligence happening right now that will redefine how you work, live, and create. From the explosion of enterprise adoption to the quiet revolution in generative models, this is your definitive guide to understanding the pulse of technology as it beats today. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, keep watching until the end because the implications are far-reaching. The most immediate shift isn't just about chatbots in your living room. It is a massive migration into the corporate backbone of the global economy. We are witnessing an unprecedented wave where AI moves from being a nice-to-have experiment to a critical infrastructure requirement for Fortune 500 companies. The data suggests that over 100 major entities have already integrated advanced models into their core workflows, solving issues ranging from complex supply chain logistics to real-time customer service interactions. This isn't incremental improvement. It is a fundamental restructuring of business operations. Companies are no longer asking if they can afford AI, but rather how quickly they can deploy it without disrupting their workforce. The speed at which these integrations are occurring indicates that the barrier to entry has collapsed, allowing even mid-sized organizations to leverage enterprise-grade capabilities for cost reduction and efficiency gains that were previously reserved for tech giants alone. While the corporate world grapples with integration, the creative engine itself is undergoing a radical transformation. We are seeing the birth of models that don't just mimic human text, but understand context, nuance, and intent at a level previously thought impossible for machines to grasp. These new architectures can synthesize thousands of titles, generate coherent narratives, and produce visual content with a consistency that rivals professional studios. The ability to handpick daily curated content from these engines has become the standard for developers and researchers alike. It is no longer sufficient for an AI to simply answer a question. It must be able to interpret complex prompts, handle multi-step reasoning, and deliver results that feel genuinely personalized. This evolution means that every user, regardless of technical background, now holds a direct interface to a supercomputer capable of brainstorming strategies, drafting documents, or visualizing concepts in seconds rather than days. However, beneath the excitement lies a complex landscape of ethical considerations and practical challenges that cannot be ignored. As these models become ubiquitous, the question shifts from, can we build it, to how do we ensure it serves us responsibly? There is growing concern regarding data privacy, copyright ownership, and the potential for algorithmic bias in decision-making processes. The industry is now grappling with how to regulate the rapid deployment of these tools while fostering innovation. We are seeing a push for transparent AI development practices and stricter guidelines on the use of synthetic media. While the technology offers incredible efficiency, it also demands a new level of digital literacy from consumers and a robust framework for governance. Ignoring these realities would be a mistake. Embracing them is what will determine which organizations thrive in this new environment. So, what does all this mean for you as an individual creator or professional? The practical takeaway is that the tools of yesterday are obsolete. If your workflow hasn't incorporated these advanced capabilities, you are already falling behind. You don't need to be a data scientist to leverage this power. Simply integrate these tools into your daily routine to automate repetitive tasks, expand your creative scope, and accelerate your learning curve. The future belongs to those who can hybridize human intuition with machine efficiency. Start experimenting today. Try generating a full project plan in minutes or visualize a complex idea that previously took hours. The pace is relentless, but the opportunity to reinvent how you work is here now. Embrace it, stay curious, and let these tools amplify your potential rather than replace it.